Yesterday, the state of Idaho went to court to seek an injunction to actually also be able to, to ask permission to speak to the clinicians, the doctors, and anybody else who is in charge or has any part of Lori Vallow's restorative care. Why are they seeking this order to permission to speak to them? Well, they're first off, they have to do it for HIPAA. Because of HIPAA, violations and rules, they can't just go in and say, "Hey, we're the state of Idaho. Tell us what you know about Lori Vallow and her restorative care." What they need is a court order to say, "Look, to impel the other people to talk to them, to share that information with the state of Idaho." On top of that, if they determine that medication and her requirement to take the medication would be the best course of action for her to actually be restored to mental competency to aid in her own defense, then they will seek an actual order to have her forcibly take the medication that she has been prescribed by the doctors there at the state mental hospital that she is, as of today, refusing to take. Now, could she file and say and have Mr. Means file some long litany of motions saying it is, in a religious reason why she doesn't want to take the medication? Sure. I mean, that would actually be a real reason for Mr. Means to file a motion. And we all know he's filed a lot of motions so far that have zero, backing to him at all, and make you just kind of wonder, what the hell is he doing? But if they actually get a court order to forcibly have her take the medication, she will be sedated, strapped to a gurney, and then she will be injected with the medication that she is being forced to take. She won't have a choice about it anymore. Now, there are about 3 different main medications that they would have her forcibly take, but it'd be speculation on which of those 3 the state mental hospital has prescribed to her that she is refusing to take so far. But again, no big surprise. Lori Vallow is still playing head games. But Lori has to stand up and fight for and try to defend herself, because she's losing the battle in the court of public opinion over this case. She's losing the case in court. She's losing the case there in the state mental hospital. But she doesn't see it yet. Before too long, Lori's time will be up. And then Lori will pay the ultimate piper, where she will burn in hell for what she did and how she treated JJ, Tylee, Charles, Alex, and let's not forget Tammy. They were all disposable to her. She treated them all with no disregard at all. Bye-bye. You're out of my life. I'm on to something better. I'm all about me. Well, Lori, here's a message for you and for all your supporters. You're all going to the same place, and there's no ice water where you're going.